The purpose is not to just get shots up. The purpose is to maximize the time and find a way to get better after practice, because that was focused on your team. This is the only time maybe you have a chance to get better as an individual. And we did it really in less than 15 minutes. So what if you took steps like this after every practice next year? Like right now you're unsigned, you're not on the team.
Yeah.
What's gonna be your habit when you're back in college and you got teammates and they're all trying to go out right after practice or they're trying to go somewhere? You see what I'm saying? Like you gotta find a way to decide who you wanna be in the midst of peer pressure and just maybe other people having different rhythms than you.
My God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus, shooting like Luke, I told him I'm...
So this is a good like 10, 15 minute shooting series. We're trying to get him 50 makes. We don't have a lot of time in the gym. Just after a practice on a weekday, we got a game tomorrow. So this is a great way if you're a player trying to figure out how to get makes after practice and you probably got one rebounder or one coach. You can get this in and get out. So we're gonna start it over. Here's now the goal. The goal is to work both sides of the floor. So you're gonna go pin down, curl, shot, flash to the slot, shot, flare to the wing, shot, drift corner. Then you're gonna cut through Ray Allen all the way to the opposite corner. Start from that side then. All right, you ready? Here we go. Good, uphill, 1, 2. Hold that follow through. Do it again. You wanna make sure we shoot correctly. So you wanna land in the same spot, gotta jump straight up, come straight down, hold your shot, hold your follow through. Come on, good, flash, 1, good, flare, 1, good, drift, 2, good, Ray Allen, take off, 3, good, down, change your pace, 1 step, fake back door, elbow, knock down, come on, nope, do it again. You just backpedal. Remember, we flash, so these are separate plays, separate instances. You just shot it here, so you're here, okay? Now, flash out. There you go. Flare, 5, 6, good. Reggie Miller, take off, 7, good job. Damn, can't even get that board for me? I appreciate you. Go ahead, it's too late now. We got it on camera so everybody knows how mean of a person you are. Flare. Good. Drift. We all right. We only need 1. Come on, go. Good. Keep running through that pass. Nope, start there. Understand you're in a different play now. Get out. Good. Talk. Let me know where you're at. I'm drifting. Good. Run the baseline. Talk to me. You gotta get yourself in the rhythm by using your words. Good. Get your mind involved. Don't just mindlessly shoot. All right, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Come on. Stuck at 10. 10, short, right and left. Discipline on your shot. Get it over the front rim. Good, I'll take that.
Yeah, pump it up.
Nice. Come on, flare. Good, 11. We're on the drought. Come on, I'll take that, miss, that's back rim. I'm good with that. Good, elbow. 1, 2, get up. Hold your spot. Ready? Flash. Hands. Plant. Get on balance. Up. Not bad. That looked good. Good. 12. 13. 13. Shoot it straight. 5 fingers in the rim. In the rim. Better. Good. Where you at? How many makes is that? I want to see if you engage. It's a flare. 16. Yeah, now that's corner. Drift. 16. Come on. 1 step fake. Good. Come on. Find your second win. Good, 17, flare. 17, drift. 18, go, 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 go. You can rest in that corner. One step fake. Come on, get up. Hard, you gotta be able to adjust from a midi to a 3. You shooting your elbow jumper like it's a 3. Know where you're at on the floor. Good. It's better, better. Now, adjust. You're shooting a midi. Legs. Good, nice, that's better. Better. That one had more touch on it. Flare, flare. One step fake this way before you flare. Hell no. One step fake, then flare. Good, that's it. Drift. Baseline. Where you at? 15, 18. No, sir. Man, you cheating yourself. I got you, bro. Come on, come on, come on. Flash. Good, one step fake middle. Good, shot. Get up. Good, 26. Man said he had 18. 27. Come on. Boy, we been here till tomorrow if we stuck with your counter. 28. One step. 29. Job. 29. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Get up. 30. Speak clear, speak clear. 31. There you go. People gotta hear you. Good, 32. Good job, way to push. Make sure your teammates can hear you clearly. Curl, 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 curl. Ah, shoot that again. Shoot that again. That's the one you struggling with. That's the layup out of all these. Go, come on, focus. Use your legs, reach in the rim. Good. I'll take that, it looks better. You shot that one intentionally. One step. Drift. It's not a curl. Drift, drift, drift. Know what you're doing. Come on. Good. Flash. Walk your man into the middle after the shot. Walk him into the middle. Good, flare. Shot. Drift. Give me 5 more. 5 more. I can see you're burnt. You're giving me everything you got in every rep, so I'm not gonna penalize you by just running you into the ground. Had a long practice. There you go, 4 more. Walk your man to the top of the key. Good. That's a good rep, in and out, drift. Good talk, I can hear you now, it's clear. You all right, come on, 4 more. Way to push, way to push. This is really what it looks like. It's not glamorous. Not gonna make every shot. Good, 3 more. Flash, good. Long practice, 2 more. Walk your man in, nice job. 1 more, come on, finish it right here. Finish it right here. Short, let's go, we're in it. We're in it. Run, 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 run. Nice, way to give maximum effort. Good, curl, curl. Knock this one down. This one been giving you problems. Good, game time. The purpose is not to just get shots up. The purpose is to maximize the time and find a way to get better after practice, because that was focused on your team. This is the only time maybe you have a chance to get better as an individual. And we did it really in less than 15 minutes. So what if you took steps like this after every practice next year? Like right now you're unsigned, you're not on the team. What's gonna be your habit when you're back in college and you got teammates and they're all trying to go out right after practice or they're trying to go somewhere? You see what I'm saying? Like you gotta find a way to decide who you want to be in the midst of peer pressure and just maybe other people having different rhythms than you, right? So, good job. Wasn't glamorous, like I said, but you took a step and you still push yourself. So I know, like, you trying to get more out of this than just what I'm telling you. That's what you need, though, is that intentionality every time. All right, good work, my man. What's up, Transition family? Hope all is well with you guys. Happy New Year's. 2025 is going to be amazing. 2024 has been amazing. Want to definitely give a shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. All of the comments under our videos, the new subscribers, it's been a blessing. And so I'm so appreciative of you guys. But I want to let you know we're going to make 2025 one to remember, and that's because we are launching our Transition Fam membership offer. That's right. If you want to be a Transition Fam member and be an all-star, make sure that you lock in with us. For $6.99 a month, you're going to have access to new videos, early access. You'll be given shout outs for those of you members who want to drop a comment. You want to make sure that, you know, you're letting us know where you're coming from and where you're watching videos from. We'll make sure that we're always being responsive to you. You'll be able to see photos and status updates. There will be member only videos like some of our coaching mentorship groups that we've done in the past and we've posted on our channel and you guys have been learning from it. We're going to make that exclusive to our membership group. And then of course, we'll have live Q&As so that those of you who have real questions and need real answers to grow your game, we're going to make sure that you get that because we care about you guys. So thank you again for your continued support. If you want to join the Transition membership group, make sure that you go to the channel and follow the prompts. And even under the video here, there should be a blue button that allows you to do so. So this is Korey Harris. Thank you guys so much. Shout out to you, man. Happy New Year's. God bless.
Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with him now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud,
Music
yeah.
licensing
I can't respect it,
reimagined.
I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a